FMS Model recently released a new color scheme for their FMS Smasher V2, and thanks to FMS, we have it here on the channel today to take a look at. This is the brand new, officially licensed High Roller 2 monster truck. I noticed that they even did a nice redesign of the box art for this edition of the Smasher. When you crack open the box, you can see the new burgundy color scheme on the Smasher body that resembles the full-size High Roller truck. As always, you receive some basic nut drivers, a LiPo battery, charger, some shock preload clips, plastic lockers, shock O-rings, as well as the manual transmitter and vehicle itself. As I mentioned, this is the V2 Smasher, so we've actually seen this truck before here on the channel. This is the latest version that comes with some new changes like an updated radio, a servo saver, a nicer battery strap, and a different ESC setup. You'll find an entire sheet of water slide decals in the owner's manual that includes all of the artwork to help make your Smasher look just like the High Roller 2 monster truck. To install the decals, you basically just cut them out, dunk them in water, and then the decals will just slide off the paper so you can apply them directly to the vehicle. These water slide decals do have a tendency to chip off after some wear and tear, so I was told you can avoid that by applying a clear coat on top of them. Once you get the decals installed, the body looks pretty sweet. If you're a fan of monster trucks, this is definitely a cool little vehicle to own. I'm seeing more and more of these Smashers every time I attend an RC monster truck event. Like I've said in the past, the Smasher is a great little truck to mess around with indoors. If you're really looking to jump it and do flips and tricks, I'd recommend upgrading to the high-speed motor and battery, which you can learn more about in the last video I made on the Smasher. Another big thanks to FMS Model for sending this truck out for me to feature here on the channel. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.